kind of like this on the neckline and the sleeves for this shirt. And then the holes I'll do on the black one, just because I think the black one with holes would look cool. I found these tees, this tee, that worked. So basically I'm gonna start with the sleeves because that's easiest, and then you can always just make sure to like cut small, and you can always go more. So I am cutting at the very top of the hem, and then I'm gonna squeeze my scissors inside of it because it's a double hem, and cut it this way, all the way across. So basically I'm just like splitting the hem into two, and then it'll really create like a raw hem once I stretch it. And I'm sure a bunch of y'all are gonna recommend fabric scissors, which at this point I probably should invest. I was holding off on it because I'm like, why? I have normal scissors. But the fact that I do this all the time now, I'm like, okay, maybe I will. These are just my normal scissors. So it doesn't have to be perfect, but once you stretch, it really doesn't have to be perfect at all. Look at that. And all you do is, once you stretch it, you can't even tell the imperfections because they ravel together. And so that's just like the hem. It's super easy, super simple, and it cracks. Next up, we're gonna do this, and if we don't like it, you can always just like cut more or go more and do a different design. But I figured I'd do a raw hem on the neckline. Basically, again, all you're doing is taking, sorry, I know it's blowing out. You're taking the very top of this, giving a little stitch into there, and then cutting it all the way across evenly around, and I'm gonna go all the way around. So, just gonna snip it very, very little. Actually, I'm gonna start in the back because, you know, snip it very, very little, and then put my scissors into it. Same way I did both of the, whatchamacallit, sleeves. My scissors are in there, and then just all the way across. I'm gonna keep going. Split the hem all the way across, and then I'm stretching it, and then I was just gonna add a little snips here and there just to make it a little more, I don't know, less perfect. And then let me put it on and share. It's so cute. It came to like this oversized cow neck, and then you can just like throw it off the shoulder if you want. Here are the little snips that I put on it, and then the sleeves too. So it's just like less perfect. And then I forgot I wanted to crop it as well, just because it is oversized. And so let me do that. Basically what I'll do is kind of, this is how I do my sweatshirt. I kind of feel like, oh, I want it at least. I did not think these t-shirts would be so soft. They're like the softest thing ever. So there is my little hole. And if you watched my sweatshirt tutorial, same thing. There's no like real method. And it's never really perfect, especially if you like throw it in the wash. It's just gonna like ravel up. But I wanted it more, not crop top, like it's gonna like cover my belly, don't worry. Especially because I have high-waisted jeans on. But the little crop look is super trendy right now too. So you can even just do this part to your tees. You don't have to do all the other stuff, you know? Final product, let me share. You can wear off the shoulder, you can wear normal. You don't have to do off the shoulder. And then once you pull, it'll ravel like this, especially the bottom too. Let me see. I can turn this around. Super cute. I swear I've seen something like this on Revolve for like $100. And you can wear it here. Here's off the shoulder look too. I feel like I should have not gone crazy on the snippets. I like the smaller guys better instead of that big one. But yeah, I'm back. Before Ted and I go to dinner at our dining room table, not anywhere, I wanted to just like rip up a couple holes in this, and then that's it. I wanted to snip like 3, like a tiger stripe. So I'm gonna grab this. I really hope, now that I'm thinking of it, it's black gonna be. There's one snip. Can you see that at all? I'm doing it in a line. 1 snip, 2 snip, 3 snip. And then I'm putting it in there, kind of making it bigger, bigger, bigger. You see that? And then I'm gonna pull. Another way of making holes is getting a razor. I just did it here, but I'm gonna share. And it kind of shows like this 2 different razors, but you can do this like all over. So, I mean, 2 different cuts. Let me do it right here. Literally, you just gnaw at it. Over and over and over. This is Ted's, obviously. I'm sure yours would work too. Can you see? Yeah.